Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll go step by step on how the bend test of reinforcement is done as per IS code, mainly IS 1599 to 2012 and IS 1786/2008, and understand why it's conducted in construction projects. Purpose: why bend test is conducted. The bend test is carried out to check the ductility and soundness of reinforcement steel, ensure that bars can be bent and rebent without cracking on the tension side, verify the heat treatment quality of the reinforcement, confirm that the bars can safely form hooks, bends, or stirrups at the site. In short, the bend test ensures that reinforcement bars can be bent safely without failure, guaranteeing safety and reliability in reinforced concrete structures. SHADA relevant IS codes: IS 1599/2012, method for bend test for steel products; IS 1786/2008, reaffirmed 2016, specification for high-strength deformed steel bars and wires for concrete reinforcement. Apparatus required: mandrel, a steel cylinder of specified diameter; bending machine or manual bending setup; support rollers; measuring scale or caliper. Test specimen: one sample bar is taken from each lot of the same size, grade, and heat number. The sample should be at least 150 millimeters long and clean, free from rust, oil, or grease. Test procedure: as per IS 1599 and IS 786. Step 1. Preparation. Measure the bar diameter and select the mandrel size as per the IS code. Mandrel diameter as per IS 786/2008, grade of steel. Mandrel diameter: Fe 415, 4 times bar diameter; Fe 500, 5 times bar diameter; Fe 550, 6 times bar diameter; Fe 600, 6 times bar diameter. Step 2. Bending. Bend the test bar through 180 degrees into a U shape using the mandrel at a uniform speed, not jerking. The test is done at room temperature. Step 3. Observation. After bending, inspect the outer tension side of the bend. There should be no visible cracks or rupture. Slight wrinkles or marks are acceptable, but cracks mean the sample fails. Step 4. Optional rebend test. In some cases, a rebend test is also performed. The bar is bent to 135 degrees, then placed in boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, cooled, and rebent to 157.5 degrees. If no cracks appear, the steel passes the test. This checks the ductility and tempering quality of the reinforcement. Tasher acceptance criteria. The reinforcement bar passes the test if no cracks or rupture are visible on the outer surface after bending. If cracks appear, the batch or lot must be rejected or retested. Importance of the bend test: ensures ductility and flexibility of steel, detects brittle or low-quality bars before use, confirms safe bending during site fabrication, guarantees structural safety and long-term durability of reinforced concrete. That's all about the bend test of reinforcement as per IS code. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more civil engineering test explanations. Thank you for watching, and keep learning with us.